You have to provide them the information and the content and the reasons to believe and the reason why. Then you kind of have to take them along that journey from the moment of awareness all the way to learning about, whether it's, just general details about the stock market or just specific things about, a way to diet. And you just really have to give them all that information and to take them hand by hand until you get to the conversion. So I think the beauty of this thing is that you have to understand, when do I make short ads? When do I make long ads? When do I talk just product? When do I talk, information? Because each phase of the user journey is a different phase, and you have to be there, to take them from one step to the other until that moment of making that decision. So I think that is something that once you understand it and you realize, this is my customer, this is what they have to go through, and then you create creatives for each one of those phases, it gives you a holistic marketing plan.